Beautiful large one bedroom in Rego Park. This is entrance. This is the living room. A large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. This is the bedroom. A large bedroom can fit a king size or queen size bed with a dresser. Comes with a 2 closet. There's one here, another one here. Another 2 more closets here. Coat closet. Beautiful kitchen, all renovated. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. Comes with a microwave, window in the kitchen. Bathroom all renovated, very clean, beautiful tiles. Beautiful apartment near banks, restaurant, grocery shops, very close to the train station on Queens Boulevard. Apartment is very good price, gonna go very quick. If you wanna view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.